mini cactus, hot, and a birthday.
Look, Mommy and Auntie are relaxing. So hi guys, today we are at the beach and we're gonna do unboxing. I opened the rest of the two at home. So last time I already got this. I didn't do a video with it, and I got this banana split. So I'm hoping to get the ramen.
Which beach are you at? Where?
I don't know.
It's in LARNACA.
LARNACA.
Yeah. Finicudus Beach.
And I'm eating chips right now. So there might be some satisfying noises in this video. So we're gonna start with this one. We skipped doing the other layer because it was gonna take too long, so we got this. I don't know which one we got.
Oh.
Here, and we have this. So we have some blind bags in here. Ooh, a recipe. What is this recipe? We got these garbage things that we don't need. We got cake. Cake! I wish it was all Wednesday day. There's a table with. Why do we have that if we already have a table?
Yeah, cup
And we have this
cake and a
big,
beautiful table.
big one. It's like a cold one. Cold whipped cream. There's something else here. There's something else here. Oh. The whipped cream thing. Cream cake. Speed one. Happy birthday. Icy wings? I don't know. Then we got the final.
Spatula.
I got this tweezer. This thing we don't need. We only need the tweezer. Oh my god, all this stuff is in sandy. My clothes it in. That's all. Put it in. We will look in the instructions. It will be a boring part. Very hard cake.
So there's the instruction.
So basically, don't get this stuff on your hands because it's very annoying to get off. Trust me. The smoothie one, it got the juice / not real juice, got everywhere. Okay. So we got it open. I'm
gonna put it everywhere in here.
So we have to put it around so we can make it drip. It's very hard. Not me, I want back.
I think that's it.
Yeah, okay, let's add the rings. Okay guys, we're now gonna fast forward this bit. Might hold it. Add the rings. Fake ice cream. Icing. Let's see in the instructions what's next. On the very edge. And then we also have to put it on this thing.
Oh no! I think the icing is finished.
Icing finished?
Yeah.
Let's just see. I got the best thing. This is like a little toy wrapped in a packet. Okay, yeah, I think that's enough money. Mommy, just let it like drip naturally. Just try to like use it.
Okay. You don't need to. There's already some there. You have to put this in.
I don't know if that was a satisfying noise or not for me. Ta-da! There's the final piece of the cake. I'll be cooking this bit. Would you like a piece? This is my birthday, so that is why we have that. And I'm gonna cut this off. Oh, let's get the other one ready. I don't know what to do with the garbage, y'all. So we got this other one. Okay, so we got this one, which is like a real life thing. It's not food this time. It's home thing. I don't know what this is. We got a plant. 14 minutes. What's in here? Oh, here's the cactus. Okay, so we got this one right here. Right here. See, these are so dumb. This won't come out. Oh my! It's kinetic sand. Oh my god! Bombastic side-eye. What about the mini food? Even though this is kinetic sand, not real soil. This is gardening with Bella and her mother, like that.
So you found a mini cactus pot and a birthday cake. So was it worth it? Timro money worth it, boy?
Yeah.
Now when you're hungry, you're gonna eat that cake, yeah? And when you get cold, you're gonna wear that cactus. Is that true? Look at me. Is that true?
No, because I will get a bag of trash and then eat berries. So that I will not starve. Mommy and Auntie are relaxing. And now he's building a road. And we're at the beach. And this is Umbrella. And this is me. Stand! Where's my shovel? You walked again. But that means you lost your toy. How do you feel about that? What? Stop. It's open. I'm a big giant walk. The hero has fallen down. The hero has fallen down. And then we have the mechanic, the helper.
Now you can make this bridge.
What's that? It's a bridge. Dig it into the sand. Where's my buried treasure? Where did I put my buried treasure? Bombastic side-eye. And I should spend all my money on the toys because they're really nice. If don't screw it up. You're messing it up. It's breaking the bridge that I clearly made. Forgot where I buried my treasure.
What's with it?
Okay.